What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Minecraft tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a armor dispenser, like a auto one. So we're going to get started. So what you need is dispensers. You need to put one like that. Then you also need these: redstone torch, redstone, of course, the armor you want, and a block of your choice. So you put a dispenser down. Break 2 blocks down like this. Just 2 apart from the dispenser. And then break that. And put redstone right there. Then you can put on neither side of the dispenser. This side or this side or that side. Then put that, and then you put redstone right there. A block of your block. And then grab a pressure plate and then change back to the block of your choice. Then put redstone like this towards a block with a redstone on it. So this is how it should be looking right now, a redstone under the dispenser too. Alright, once you're done with that, put a block on top of the quartz block and that, and then it should signal the torch and turn it off. And then another torch, and it should turn it off. Then you need another block and put it on top. Then move it once like that. Once you're done with that, put a dispenser like that, and then another one on this side, and then one facing down. Right. So once you're done with that, you could put you have to put slabs right here so it doesn't stop the. Let me show you. So if you put slabs right here, it won't stop the energy from like going into that block. And if you put a block on top of it, sometimes it will stop the redstone from working. So once you're done with that, you could like cover it up if you want, or whatever you want to do. And once you're done like covering it up, you have to put it like that, and then shift, and then put it on top. So that is all you need to do. Then you want to fill this up with armor. Then you always put the boots on the bottom, because like that's where your boots are, and then chest plate on this side, pants on this side, and then helmet on the top. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right now if this works or not in third person. Actually, second person. Watch. So now I have full diamond gear on, and you guys could do this all the time. You guys could do this on PC or on Minecraft Pocket Edition if you have the new update, which is 0.14. And if you do, you can make one, and you add it to your survival world if you have the material you need. And you don't have to use quartz as the block of your choice. You can use anything. I think this is it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.